How to fix Snapchat was unable to open camera on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat was unable to open camera on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Snapchat, and here we'll find the permissions. Click on it, and now just here we'll find camera, we'll find it like that, then click on it and click allow, and now just go back, go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. If that also doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and update Snapchat, and then try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.